Ebenina. Sami Jenfilman can't train and say budget here, but no more. Now, budget in IMF budget here, a day called IMF. Meboa, yes, I know Mokai. Sano Mokachre. Intimate see up here. Andra meetie honorable Kenufuriatano. Na me expect say in the closing remarks, no. Obekasa to say they are said tekpe ekasa ye 2013-2014 muno. Now me dream so Obeka say, despite all efforts made, our country has no choice but to fall back to IMF conditionalities. So beginning 2022, we are going to the IMF. I was expecting to hear that. And this if went to more sabe, into more ferry dear. And this a mudi draw, na ya chimo, no more draw, na ya chimo, no more draw, na ya chimo, into more ferry. Just say, any work a cram mem. Hey, Moses former campaign manager on the crisis or a day because on your flag bearer, no on your campaign manager. Well, on no self-acclaimed thank you to. One no be paid na economy, one no be man and Sasu say mean to me, media comma IMF. We be general so no economy ni better chi en Kufuado. You a shameless man. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Who economy a yedi kura wo de ane de oba ene sika wo ho oil la start ibumu ukura as big as 14.05% GDP. Stay over my one Sasu say won to me, Mr. Mahama. You came and told us you can't no more. You have to go to IMF. And then they want na munkura say, what time no na niama boefo. What time no na economy ni. Now we be the feelings of Obeka children kurase for na wo da do mo say, na niama boefo so na ye IMF ase. The economy you couldn't manage. Economy now we pay ja won sa. Say mean to me oh me dey come IMF no. Obiaba 5 years ni on call IMF. Utie. Obiaba 5 years ni on call IMF. Wo be di ade ankasa 2013 and wo be di ade. 2014 na we dwane Mr. Mahama. Woni we end this for we dwane dada o we dwane call IMF gidi IMF amba kwan no mu bu. Mako IMF so amosi yentua electricity bill ka e champion suban ni bi yentua bibia. Electricity was mean to yaka. Now we be the free as a government. Energy is a key factor in you developing your country. And to say energy, companies de be juma, a few for de be juma, individuals de be your mohoniamano, say energy ni niwa. It goes against you, the president, because you wouldn't be able to collect taxes from these people who otherwise could have worked and paid some taxes to you. Even though today the tax code has come to expose Ghana for face the country. I'm me say face the country. Me say mamente kwasie bi. Mamente freedom fighter Jimmy Phobia be gina say we pay taxes. Me do nyame they say no bru munua. Mami hu kwasiafo bi gina say and we pay tax and it's taxpayers. Mo yan kwasiafo Jimmy for. Face the country, ni freedom fighters for no. You are the worst local size. Money the bouquet wa Ghana. Mo junior wu. And ye be an A+ abeda mo. Say TPP keeping the government accountable. Onya bi ope wo mu no say na ye TPP. 3 years, 4 years, ye konya ye permanent in chain. Bia na onyame akoboa NDC for Emma Omaba power. Na mi bisa say what it will presidency ho at the mark to her say. Sa country way president for the woman man say ye stage robbery. The woman man say ye kunkro for ye plot kum say ye be kunkro for. Ye tata ema ni omo ya ade awia na ye chase omo pese ye kum enti enne enye Akufuado enye Bawumia na wo ho e bia na eye His Excellency Mahama na say somebody else be owo NDC mu na aba. Your president will dress up to go and meet people, to go and meet dignitaries, and the bronina will catch it and say, Ghana presidency, ekum nipa. The omnimane say, womu stage, ekum edikum kum nipa no. Na ode tete wankasa woman. Ghana ni ehuno sa. Last me bejina haka say, sanka waka kurapo say, one nada. And answer one na ye na keya median can family. At the end of the day, he's a man, so what? But when you finger a certain president, say, what plot or robbery, not only that, or per se okun, because our information, hey, Ghana for NDC MPP, you are not seeing the seriousness of what was going on. But to the Endra na MP4 motete ho ye kan budget papa budget ya mubu ankasa mudi nke ba be gufu ya mi be gu mani mu ase wa ha ye be kan budget papa no na mu gina ho hwan budget jimifuo bi budget na jimifuo bi budget me hwe mo sa me se anya me wama mo be kasa because mu kro ya na mu nim pefe say His Excellency Bawumia no obi a ye friend Ramatu. Eso mo share da kogina ho se de be ya mo be gu nanimu ase na mo de aye sere agimi sem te say boys schools for form 1 for be agimi semunti no mo be gina ye we want Ramatu at parliament when dignities were there. Hey, power and tea ye nuanom we power and tea Obia sorry gidi nti enemy me sorry ameba me say people I have information on Mr. Mahama, see me for it, give me $1 million or Mr. Mahama I'll release it. Nanka food dinechi nanka MPP for it's na me sometimes I love MPP because of these things so na me ke si ba ye kra ye se ye mia me kra no bi kra ba bebo ame ye mfa ye ho kra wa ko du nkwasi asem na wa wanya o case akodi u case me see NDC anka ye be hihye de meka Kevin Taylor nya su kakrai na so sunum di mirika koduru ho dadaada strategies to counter gidi hey NDC ni koku ni penne ende ya Abraham Amaleba ne eyinom edugita makro no bebe be defend obi unim say kromu ha no ye wo law bi a na obestart abeka nkwase law no na edugita makru wa ye ni tikondo no wa start say onipa no froso na say ukunu dia justified. You will get an NDC lawyer who will come and justify say yes ekuna ye kunipa no right. They get somebody to do that. MPP there when your case here say one kasa no was sweating I don't know your kakra untie and wajia tie when you accident then to connect them but thank God say bibi sa anya den anyhow but we miss the point to say there is somebody there is something so I'm a person me madwene si e wo me case no ho sa afia na na ye dwene say ye di hye me mu no me kanene asimesene na enyo no na no person odi hye me mu NDC UK branch we say ebeba ebobo pa momu nnim de eba